Mooregirl coming back with you. Just a couple little finds I got from the Goodwill yesterday. Yes, guess what? They have silver again. Now, I actually had a larger piece like this I used for my Christmas decor a couple years ago, and it was so bad that I had to actually paint the edges red. But to find this cute little gem, it was $4.99. It was purple sign yesterday. It was 50% off. Okay, it's badly tarnished, and you know I like to challenge the tarnished silver. So I am going to clean this up. And the second thing I got, I have no idea again. Cute, cute, cute is all about the girls. It's all about the girls. This is cute. This is going to go in my closet along with the other gold bustier that I found. So I figure you could put probably little jewelry on it or little trinkets or something like one here. And I'll put this on a shelf in my closet. I thought this was adorable. It does come off here. I figure how to wash it, but I might hand wash it because I believe it does come off here. So I believe I can just pull it off here and then just wash it. I'm not quite sure. Oh, you know what? Maybe it won't come off. No, it won't. So I might have to wash it on the rack right here. Probably just scrub it with a little scrub brush because it seems a little dingy. But again, it's really, really cute. I'll keep the base white. I'll just clean that up. And here, I'll just take like a little brush and just scrub it a little bit. Just wipe it off. And then I can actually, you know, touch this part up. It seems, again, a little dingy. So what I can do is just take some white paint and just, you know, polish that up. This was $4.99. And we normally get about 20% off if you're on the VIP list. Okay, I will show you later on. I can't wait to do the remake of my closet. You know, I'll probably do that once I, you know, drop this weight and get some new clothes, probably in the summertime. I will do another closet tour. But all right, guys, I just wanted to show you real quick, real briefly, the cute little items I got from coming over here. People ask me how do I clean my silver, and I've had this on my DIYs before. Let's look under DIYs or how I clean my silver. I have my Silverite cream, and I have my Barkeepers. Again, I like the liquid. I don't like the other one that's just kind of abrasive, the cleanser. So I like the soft cleanser rather than a regular cleanser. So again, should be, because this is badly tarnished, I will probably start off with this and then polish it up and get the last little pieces with this. Especially you can see the patina here and it's turning green. Alright, but you know, when these clean up, oh my god, they're absolutely gorgeous. To me, I know some people are not into the silver, especially young millennials. But I'm going to tell you, this is classic pieces that your parents or your grandparents probably had stored away. And I've used this for a multitude of reasons. From a bar cart, I put it in every single room. For my kitchen bar cart, I put it everywhere. My studio, my closets, because I think, you know, instead of just going to Home Goods and getting all kinds of like cute little designs, those little items that, you know, to me they're trendy, they don't last long, they're cute, they blingy, but guess what? These things are back until like 1920s, 30s. You know, this is classic. I'm sorry. You can't compare this to some of the Home Goods stuff. You know, it may not be your thing, but I'm talking about as far as quality. These things are just amazing. All right, I'm going to get this clean and I'm going to show you a review of how it looks. And see, this is easy. This is not really hard to clean, guys. Look how that's coming off with the Barkeepers. And look at the beauty of this. I think I'm holding it with one hand. So I'm sorry, I just want you to see. I'm using one hand, light strokes, and look how that comes off. Isn't this absolutely just gorgeous? So now what I did was my Barkeepers I ran out, so I really can't do the back side. Right now I have to run back to the store and get some, but now I'm using the silver cream. Once I get the majority of this out, then I come back and kind of just go through the edges here, like the crevices here. And once you clean it thoroughly like this, you know, it's really not a problem. But I like to kind of get these dark pieces here, take my time on these. And, you know, people say, well, it's a lot of work doing silver. But, hey, we scrub pots every day. To me, scrubbing a pot is worse than scrubbing a silver. And if you only scrub it this thoroughly, it's because it's probably been sitting for years out the store. Because when I do my silver, when I clean them, like every few months ago, especially in the summertime where, you know, the tarnish, because I have a lot of windows and the sun comes in. But once you do it, it's really not that bad. You know, you just have to do it really tight. Again, over here, you know, I did some, but again, I ran out. So, you know, I'll come back and finish that up at another time. But yeah, you'll see this on either my table, my tray, you'll see it in my decor. But look how pretty it looks. Yeah, guys, I'm going to do this a little bit more thoroughly around the edges here, and then I'm going to come back, rinse it, and show you how it looks. Now for this area here, only thing I took was some Dawn dish liquid and some water. I took the same rag, I rinsed this off. The only thing I'm doing is scrubbing this. This does not come off because the fact that it is mounted here. So it doesn't come off. So only thing I'm gonna do is just hand do it. Again, just clean it with some Dove dish liquid and wipe it off. That's it. You can see already it's coming like pretty clean here compared to the dinginess kind of here. All right, so when they're all done and they dry, I will give you the final reveal. Okay guys, so I'm trying to do this part now. The top part, the bra, I took off this because it looks a little dated and a little farmhouse in this here. So what I'm going to replace this middle with a nice little sparkle bling and just glue it on. But I just want to show you, take your time with this. You know, whenever you restore anything, you use whatever, you know, dish or laundry detergent, because basically it's just material. But I'm just taking my time with it. You know, I don't want anything to rip or tear. I can actually take this off and replace it, but I like it, so I'm going to leave it in the sizes on the bottom as well. So keep it sort of like an antique kind of looking. I don't mean to jerk, I'm just holding the camera while I do this. I'm sorry about that, guys. So I'm going around the edges here. I went over here to like the bustier part and the curves, clean it up. I'll rinse it with, rinse this off and then dry it again. Okay. Like I said, just take your time. Then I'll come out and I have a couple little bling things I could put right here. I think that'll be really adorable. Then I will definitely use this for maybe some bracelets to hang down, maybe some loop earrings here. But I think it's coming out much cleaner. It doesn't look as dingy as it did before. Okay, this is dry. So the next thing I want to do is embellish. So I got one of my little bling out, and this here came loose because I took off the other one. So I'm going to put this here. I'm not going to use hot glue. I want to try a product that I got. If y'all saw the other day, I did that moldable glue by the company called Sugru. And it's, all right, so the first time I put it on here, so I just to tack this one down. Okay, I took some backing off there to make it smaller so that I won't see when I smash it down. It's a Mooregirl, why all this? Because I want to test this out and see if it works. If I'm going to mention it on my page, I want to make sure the product works. So, do I see it? Not too much. It's all right, I can clean it off here. Like that. So, then this is supposed to dry overnight, but again, I still don't think that's bad. So I would test it tomorrow to see if it's actually, and try to tug it to see if it comes off. All right, and I'll let you know how that is. Hey guys, it's Mooregirl. I'm back the next day to check out this product and see if this worked. And guess what? Look at this. This does not come off. So that sugru worked. Oh my goodness. So it does work on fabric. This came out really nice. But I really have another product I got from the Goodwill yesterday as well. So I went there yesterday and I got this for $2.99 plus my 20% off. It's just a jewelry one, and it's kind of messed up here. It lost the paper here, it's coming off, and I could probably just either put some more glue on that or just, you know, hot glue it, or put some double stick tape on this. So, and this, okay, is kind of messed up here at the edges. You can see it hair. So I'm going to clean this up, and it has hair. So I'm going to use these two products. I'm going to use some roll-on, see, that you use for like a lint. So these easily come off when you have any type of felt. This is how you can kind of pretty much clean this up. It's really simple, you know, and look how that they came off here. These little lip brushes come in so handy. All right, and when you get corners like this, just take a piece off, or you can use regular tape. You know, to peel it off is not so easy to peel off sometimes. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna wrap it around like this. Okay, can I wrap it around? Okay, and just kind of go in here and just remove, or you can kind of like wipe this down as well. And if there's any marks on here that is not hair, I like to take the hair off first, any type of fuzz or hair or whatever it is. Clean it up, do one roll with the lint. Looks good. Okay, now, again, what I'm gonna do for the sides and the other part that's messed up, I'm gonna take just a marker. I have a dry eraser. I'm gonna go in and just dab along the edges here, so you don't see the scuff mark. You could use probably a Sharpie for that as well. And you can see here, a lot of this is gone, like a lot of the felt that's gone, the material. And that's it, because it's going to be on the shelf and on display with my jewelry on my shelf in my closet. And you can just kind of go around these edges too. You press on it down, and back here I'm just gonna mark it up. I mean, you could paint this if you want, if it doesn't come out right. Let me see if it's dark enough. If not, I can go back and paint it. You could spray it. Again, this is going on the top shelf. This is the back. You're not going to see it anyway. Now, if you had this, like something like this on a display that people will see it, I'm not gonna see you spending more time with it, but for me, not that serious, okay? Go around the edges. And this is how I do restore some of my Goodwill finds. You can let that dry and do it again. Okay, so you have that, and I have the front. Same thing, mark it in, bring it down, make sure you do the edges so it's seamless. Okay, that's pretty much it. Again, you can wipe this down. This is paper, so you don't want to get that too wet. Okay, so there you go. And this is how you can restore some of your stuff. All right. Okay. Alrighty guys, so this is the reveal of my Goodwill find. So I have my tray nice and clean, that beautiful silver. Remember that was so rustic and it had patina on it. This is the jewelry holder here, the necklace holder. So all I did, as you see, was just repair. Just mark it up. It was in very, very good condition. It displays my jewelry perfectly. And of course, this will hold like bracelets, something really cute like that. I thought it was very girly. You know, my closet is very, very girly. And look at the bustier. And also remember, this worked perfectly. Items will be on my shelf in my closet. Yes, so it's like gorgeous. This the tray here. I probably put on my table or something like that. But I just want to show you what you can do with Goodwill finds. All you have to do is imagination, know how to do a minor repair. Okay guys, it's your Mooregirl and thanks for watching this.